Welcome soldiers, I'm at command with Max Mullen, and he's our main commander. He's going to give us a little pep talk on what we're supposed to do and give us a mission.
So I got just a mission for you guys. What platoon are you? First. What platoon are you?
3rd platoon, 2nd, 3rd squad.
Platoon? First. All 1st platoon guys, raise your hand. 2nd platoon guys, raise your hand. 3rd platoon guys, raise your hand. You guys just walked. No red rag on, just walked. Nobody even challenged them, nobody even shot them or anything like that. So this is what we got. We have hold of the precious cargo. We have to keep it to 1630 now. They made the rules so that we went. We got to keep it to 1630. Greg just gave me this box right here. You have to go to, you know where the boneyard's at? We know where the boneyard's at.
I just know that direction.
You got to come to Greg. We got to get this to the dog pound. It's behind the enemy lines. It's over there near their spawn point. We just have to drop it off to get
Greg Brothers.
Say again? We're trying to fight. It's near that concrete wall.
You don't want to go through
And
the wood.
also, the precious cargo, the female, at 1630, we had to extract that helicopter. Not the one that we rescued
You can make it
the pilots from, but another one.
That old one over there?
No, that's the one where we got the pilots from, the pilots. You know where the helicopters at there?
There's one in the boneyard and there's one where we had our mission earlier.
The one at the boneyard then.
You can make it safe through the woods. We got guys basically all the way up
they're
there.
fine. Greg Brothers or any other.
So
we just came from
I was all the way up by the respawn.
We're going to sit here, we're going to go do stuff. Well, we were told we're going to, first of all, we're going to take this black box to the dog pound. So. Yeah, apparently it's by their base. So I don't want to leave this black box.
Yeah, I'm waiting to listen to you.
Oh, is there a technical coming down that road? Technical coming down the road! Technical coming down that road! Move the black box to somewhere with more cover. If you can. Oh crap. Right over there, under the thing, under the water tower.
Trying to find out where we're going to the road station.
What? Right here, everyone in the squad was killed except for me and 2 guys, and the second in command wants me to go out there and grab them. Want me to clear this, or?
No, leave it here. I want you to put your gun down and I want you to bring them to me.
Yes, sir. No, I can't really do that without my
That's right.
Hey, can you guys give me some covering fire?
All day.
I meant one better. Hey, guys, come back. Max, you got a medic over here. You got a medic over there. Let's go. Here. Look at this. Go faster, man. You good? What, doing anything technical?
We're running, just walk fast. We jog. Hey dude, get ready to run. Hey, cover me, dude.
I hope you guys enjoyed part 4. I'm returning to the barracks right now because I'm exhausted from pulling in all those people. Stay tuned for part 5, which is the next day. Items in this video can be bought at evic.com. Evic.com. You want it, they got it. And Opsgear.com. Opsgear.com. Veteran owned since 2001.